Anthony Fasano here from Pass the FE Exam, and in this video I'm going to give you 5 reasons that taking and passing the FE exam is the most important thing you can do for your career as an engineer. Number 1, the odds of you getting your license will go up dramatically if you pass the FE exam in the first couple of years of your career. Number 2, it's a huge credibility boost for you, and it tells your employer or prospective employer a lot about your passion and your drive in your career. Number 3, career advancement opportunities will be much greater with an engineering license, and this FE is the first step to getting it. Number 4, what if you need your license in the future, even though now you may not think you'll need one? We'll be really reliant upon whether or not you have the license. And finally, there is zero downside to trying to get your EIT or pass your FE exam early in your career, so there's no reason not to do it.